Guys, there's a freaking spider right outside my window. See that? See it? Yeah, guys, that's a sort of big spider. I just noticed it. Me and my brother just seen it. Dude, but that is huge though. Oh my god, I think that's the one. I think that's the same one we had in front. I don't know, but I just wanted to let you guys see this freaking spider right here. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I just wanted to let you guys see the spider that's outside my room's window. Yeah, I just noticed it, so peace out.